Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting access and credentials. Sign into your Google account, enable Gemini in AI settings, and create a cloud project. Once done, generate an API key and restrict it to the project to reduce risk. Make sure to set the key as an environment variable locally or in your deployment pipeline. You'll need to confirm that outbound network requests to Google endpoints are allowed. This prevents later connection failures and saves time when you run your first request. You now build prompts and API calls. Start by selecting the appropriate Gemini model, smaller models for low latency, larger for complex reasoning. Compose a prompt that specifies role, goal, and constraints, and add a short example to shape output. Then construct your call using the REST endpoint or official client library. Include model name, input text, max tokens, and temperature. Test iteratively, adjusting prompts and parameters until the responses match your accuracy and length expectations. You finish by deploying and validating the integration. Deploy with retries, exponential backoff, and caching for repeated queries. Instrument telemetry to track latencies and costs. Run end-to-end tests covering edge cases and assert output format and safety constraints. If you encounter errors, first verify API quotas, key restrictions, and that the model name matches available variants. Also confirm network permissions and inspect logs for malformed prompts. This one troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.